Kev G, weather overview. How's it going, everybody? Let's take a look at the water temperature around the tri-state area, courtesy of NOAA. And we're reaching the peak of the water temperatures here around these parts. And we're basically at where we should be, with a few anomalous water temperatures of 80 or higher showing up in very scattered locations. But most of our water temperature is in the mid to upper 70s. So if you're out there swimming over the next couple days, pretty pleasant temperatures for this time of year, water temperature wise, about what we would see this time of year. Now, I think the overall weather pattern is going to be characterized by daily threats of downpours, especially for the interior. I think the biggest threat for downpours along the coast and in the city and for Long Island and the points south are going to be Wednesday and then again Saturday. In between then, Thursday and Friday, the threat is basically over the interior, with perhaps a scattered shower or thunderstorm over the coastal plain, but not as widespread as it would be with our chances going forward for Wednesday and Saturday. So an active weather pattern, a lot of humidity, a lot of chances for showers and thunderstorms, and then we set ourselves up for a potential heat wave early next week. So a lot to get to. So we'll take a look at tropical tidbits, and this is courtesy of the NAM model, and we're fine for most of the day, mostly sunny skies. A typical summer day, lots of humidity, temperatures in the 80s, and then a warm front approaches from the south late tonight into tomorrow, and that's going to spread showers and thunderstorms area-wide, beginning tomorrow morning and lasting through a good part of the day. So the threat from tomorrow morning through most of the day tomorrow for scattered showers and thunderstorms is there with the passage of this warm front, and that'll be moving through for Wednesday night. I think things will sort of start to die down by Wednesday night and Thursday, and then the focus will shift to the interior, away from the coast. So heavy rain is a good bet with any one of these showers tomorrow because we have a lot of humidity and the atmosphere has a lot to work with respect to humidity and the heating that we experience for this time of year. We're in the peak of the heating season, so we do have those threats for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow area wide. But then I think the area to look for most shower and thunderstorm activity for Thursday and Friday would be confined to the interior. Now, as we go into Saturday, what happens is the high pressure off to our east starts to move to the east, and that gives way for a frontal passage to move through on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. So that's there again, another widespread opportunity for showers and thunderstorms. And as that high moves back and forth, that's basically going to dictate what our rain chances are going to be over the next 3 to 4 days. Then we wait for next week. And by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, what we may see happen is a heat wave start to develop where the high pressure is in control and it is such that it keeps a lot of the rain activity to our west. And if you take a look at Weather Underground, we have temperatures solidly in the 80s. Then as we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I think these temperatures could actually be higher than what's forecasted by a few degrees. So we may be looking at a decent heat wave, by August standards for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. That's something to watch for as we go forward. So I'll be updating that as we go along. But for right now, a daily threat of downpours, particularly Wednesday and Saturday area-wide, with Thursday and Friday having those downpours confined to interior locations.